Have to watch the rate of the snow melt because there is just so much snow, especially for our southwest basins. Gunnison Basin 165% compared to what's considered normal here in the second week of April. The San Juan Basin 183%. Closely watched Colorado Basin 131 compared to normal. Even here in the South Platte, which includes Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins, of course, we are above normal as well. So the rate at which all this snow melts is going to be very closely monitored because, as usually is the case, flooding can certainly be the result. Wind right now coming out of the west at 10 miles per hour. The gusts are up closer to 20 miles per hour. Fortunately, that's about as strong as we expect the wind to get today. Any higher, we'd be much more concerned about the fire danger, which certainly isn't zero, but it's not as high as it would be if that wind would be stronger. Look at that. The airport hit 80 degrees just a few moments ago. So we have now officially tied the record for this date, which was set in 1982. And before long, I would think in the next 10, 15 minutes or so, we'll probably get word that we've officially broken the record as we get to 81, and we expect to get up to 85. So we're just going to keep going. And then we're going to do this again tomorrow. Record is 79 from April 12th, 2018. We have 84 in the forecast for tomorrow. Elsewhere around the state, warm everywhere. I mean, everybody's above normal today. Even in the mountains, look at Aspen, 66, 64 at Steamboat. Even Gunnison reaches into the 60s today. 70s and 80s on the western slope. Biggest concern about fire danger for today is on the far eastern plains. Our counties near Kansas, like Yuma County, all the way down to Baca County, and everywhere in between, like Kit Carson and Prowers County. We have a red flag warning. This goes until 8 p.m. for the gusty wind and low humidity. This evening, the Rockies taking on the Cardinals again. Everything worked out at Coors Field last night. Let's hope to get another win tonight. First pitch is 6:40. Sun sets about an hour after the game starts, and we'll have summer-like temperatures at Coors Field this evening. Here's the map for tomorrow. Temperatures back in the lower to middle 80s for your Wednesday, and the fire weather concerns do come a little bit closer to the metro area tomorrow. Douglas County and Jefferson County above 6,000 feet under a fire weather watch. This is tomorrow from noon until 7 p.m. These can turn into red flag warnings, so we'll just keep an eye on that for tomorrow. And then as we get ahead, looking ahead to Thursday, not as warm. Highs in the 70s, something closer to where we were yesterday. And then look at the big change on Friday, with temperatures dipping down into the 50s. So we go from about 25 degrees above normal today and tomorrow to about 10 degrees below normal by the end of the week as this big ridge of high pressure, this big dome of heat moves away. Cold front rolls in, and this is why we will be so much cooler for Friday and Saturday. In addition, the mountains have a pretty good chance for snow to end the week. We'll see some snow in the mountains into Saturday as well. Less moisture down here in the metro area compared to the high country, but we still expect a few rain showers on Friday, McKenzie. That chance continues into Friday night. By Saturday morning, it could be just cold enough for maybe a snowflake before the moisture's gone. Zero accumulation in metro Denver, even in the mountains. This is not going to be a big spring storm. Sunday looks brighter and warmer, closer to 70, and then we'll be in the lower 70s to start next week.
All right, not too bad.
Not too bad. Real taste of summer and then something cooler. Got something for everybody in the extended forecast.
It's a little hot yesterday, I'm not going to lie.
It's going to be even hotter today.
I know, right?
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much, Ashton.